So after we have the Smart Liftgate feature turned on in the inside of the vehicle, there are a few things that have to happen before the Smart Liftgate is actually going to work. So you need to make sure that you lock the vehicle first. You lock it and you actually have to get about 15 feet away for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a walk. All right, and after you wait that 10 to 15 seconds or so, so if you've gone to grab groceries, gone shopping, whatever the case may be, as long as you've got the key fob on you, look at this, look at this. Such, oh, an incredible feature. Like, you don't need to kick swipe, you don't need to do anything. As long as you've got the key fob on you, you lock the vehicle first, wait about 10-15 seconds or so, and then walk away from the vehicle. When you come back, proximity sensors, you walk to the back of the vehicle within a few feet, and you heard the beeping there. So it's going to start beeping on you. This thing's going to open up automatically, which is incredible. Now, the liftgate inside of this thing, we've got a few different options available as well, because inside of that middle screen, we've got the option of selecting different heights. So if your garage only goes up to a certain level, you do have the flexibility to select when this thing is going to stop. If we want to select different heights, we can have it fully open, we can go to 3 different levels, or we can have a user customizable level as well. So you can select how far, how open this thing goes. So if you want to adjust the height, you've got the flexibility to do it. We just drag this however we'd like to height-wise, and then there's a button along the very top. So we hold that for 3 seconds, and then from there, it's going to not open up past that certain point. So you do have that flexibility, all done through the middle screen, whether you take a pre-selected option or you create one yourself, which is kind of neat.